Hello everyone, my name is Hu Xiangze, and today I will present my case study on the challenges in teaching the present continuous tense and how different strategies can help improve student learning. The study was conducted through surveys and interviews with students and teachers. It built upon a lesson plan and a gamified learning module. Our goal was to identify key difficulties and find the most effective teaching approach. Our survey found that students struggle with verb transformations when forming the present continuous tense, such as dropping E or doubling consonants. The difficulties rating was 35, indicating moderate difficulties. Interactive mini games in TimeSnap provide real-time spelling feedback, reinforcing correct morphology. Many students misplace or laterally verbs and make subject verb agreement errors. 30% of respondents report frequent mistakes. Our lesson plan uses color-coded sentence structures and role-playing activities to reinforce sentence formation. The biggest challenge was distinguishing between temporary action and habitual action. 60% of students found this difficult. We implemented storytelling activities and real-world examples to help students grasp contextual differences. Only 40% of students feel confident using the present continuous tense in spontaneous conversation. We recommended project-based learning and mobile-assisted tools like TimeSnap to provide real-life language practice. Our study identified 4 major challenges in teaching the present continuous tense: morphological errors, syntactic mistakes, semantic confusion, and difficulties in real-world usage. Game-based learning improves engagement, but real-world application need reinforcement. So thank you for listening. I hope this presentation has provided useful insights into improving English grammar instruction. If you have any question, feel free to ask.